Hi friends, welcome to Tej Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how to price a PNR in Amadeus. So the various type of pricing commands and the scenario is available in the Amadeus. So the various categories is also available. So those commands and the entries and all those things we'll see clearly under the detailed information in this video. So first friends, if you are visiting the channel first time, please subscribe to channel. If you subscribe the channel then you will get the all our updates. Once we uploaded the video, you will get the information in your mobile notifications. So the friends, please subscribe to channel. So let us go to our topic. So this is the pricing module. So the first we will see with the FXP entry. So once we created the PNR in the Amadeus, so your screen will show you like this. So if you sold the seats here, one seat you sold, and the onward the Frankfurt Bombay and Bombay to Frankfurt system will show you like this only. So see 1 minute. So in this you have created the PNR, means you sold the seats, onward seat and return seats, Frankfurt Bombay, Bombay to Frankfurt here, see here. So name also you have feeded the here. So here now you want to see the price. So the command is FXP, further X repeater. FXP is the command. Just enter this command. You will system will show you this information in this here. The total cost breakup and the flight information, departure, and everything will show you here by entering that command, pricing command. So here, see here, if you want to see the itinerary. So from the itinerary, Frankfurt Bombay, Bombay Frankfurt. Here you showing the Frankfurt Bombay, Bombay Frankfurt, and the LH is a flight carrier code, the flight number and the departure date, class of booking, and the time, departure time only it will show in this pricing command. And fare basis, the not valid NVB, not NVB means not valid before, NVA means not valid after. Baggage 1 PC, so it will show you in the date of purchase. So ticketing code is here, 17 numbers something. The total cost is showing here. Total cost is showing here. Amount see here 130,590 was showing. So the breakup of the tax also showing here. So the total the tax breakup also showing here. See here. Everything will show you after enter that pricing command. All the information will show you here. So this is the whole itinerary pricing command, friends. If you want to issue the ticket, you have to use this command. Whole itinerary you want to issue the ticket, then you have to use this command only. You want to see the whole itinerary cost without issuing the ticket or without entering all the information, so you have to use this command only. You have to or 1 minute. So total, if you want to see the price of the segment 2 or 3 like that also you can see here. So 1 minute. The other step is 1 minute. I will show you. The next command is FXX. FXX. If you want to check the cost, by this entry also it will show you the cost. So after solding the seats, you can able to use this entry also. FXX will show you the cost. Once you enter this, after sold the seats, if you enter this command, then list of available fares it will show you in the system. They see here, list is showing after entering the command. So whatever you from this you have, whatever you want you can take. So after that the information also showing here. Then 1 minute. there is various commands also available here, different type of commands, and the entries also available. You can see here under the 1 minute I am showing the list of these. So if you want to see the adult passenger cost, you have to use this into FXP slash tax. The whole itinerary for adult pass, by entering this entry you can see the cost. And the if you want to infant passenger cost, you can use this into FXP slash INF. This is for whole itinerary, friends. Please clearly understand. So otherwise you will get confusion. So 1 minute. So if you want to see the passenger 3, if you suppose you created for 3 passenger in a booking in a PNR, now you want to see the passenger 3 alone cost. So now then you have to, then that case you have to use this command FXP slash P3. P3 is the passenger. FXP slash is the mandatory command of Amadeus. P3 is the passenger 3. You see here prices the itinerary for passenger 3. So passenger 3 cost alone it will give you the system. So if you want the same scenario, if you want to see the multiple passengers cost, then you have to see the here you have to use this command. So suppose you have created for the 6 passenger in the booking in a PNR. So then that case you have to see the cost for passenger 2, 4, 6. These 3 passenger costs you need now. Then you have to use this command FXP slash P2, 4, 6 for getting the cost. Next, so now you want to the same scenario, you want to see the cost from, you suppose you have created for 9 passenger in a PNR in the booking. So now we want to check the cost from 4th passenger to till 9th passenger. For all these passenger you need cost. In that case you have to enter this command FXP slash P4 number 9. So the total, the number of from 4th passenger to till 9th passenger cost will give you the system. So other next command is, if you want, see there is various commands available, friends. So if you are experienced person, you can easily understand this. If you 1 minute. So the other scenario is, if you want to see the segment wise cost, suppose you have created for onward Bombay Frankfurt and Frankfurt Bombay. Now you want to see the segment 3 or segment 2. The Frankfurt Bombay alone, if you want to check the cost, in that case you have to enter this FXP slash is the Amadeus mandatory command to check the cost. Now you want to see that segment 3. The segment 3 is the line number. So line number means here your line numbers, once you created the PNR, I will show you here. Line number showing serial number, check the serial numbers, and the flight Cairo to London is showing line number 2. Line number 3 is showing London to Cairo. So like that only you will have to check. If you now you want to check the cost segment 2 alone, FXX or FXP slash segment 2, or you want to 3 means then you enter 3. So like that only the multiple cost will have to check. The same type, the multiple passenger also here. If you want to check the passenger, so if you created for the suppose you created 3 passenger or 9 passenger, now you want to check the multiple passenger 2 and 3 or 4. So like that, if you want to check the cost, then you have to enter FXX. If you created the 7 segments in the PNR, so in that case you want to check the multiple segments cost. That means segment 2 cost you need segment 4 cost and segment 5 cost. In that case you have to enter FXX slash 2, 4, 7. Like that only multiple segments cost you will have to check. If you want to check from the 4th passenger to 7th passenger segment, 4th segment to 7th segment means you have to enter the fxx slash segment 4 hyphen 7 or fxp slash segment 4 hyphen 7. Then these commands only you have to use for the multiple segments or multiple passenger, like that only. Earlier also I have given you multiple type of passengers commands, so the same type you have to use. So other thing is friends, here showing here, sometimes the system will not give you the cost for a specific airline by entering the fxx or fxp. So then that case you have to specify the validating carrier. Validating carrier means the airline's code you have to enter mandatorily getting the to get the cost. So the full command is fxp slash r comma vc. fxp slash r comma vc is the Amadeus mandatory command hyphen xx. Xx is the airline code. You have to, if you want to Lufthansa code or BA code, then you have to enter here BA hyphen BA fxp slash r comma vc hyphen BA or fxp slash r comma vc hyphen LH, like that only. You have to specify the carrier code if you are not getting the cost. So this is the other one, and the like the same thing also, some of the airlines will also not show the correct cost. Then that case also you have to use this fxp slash r comma u code. This will give you the also pricing. fxp r comma u, and other thing is this carpet pricing. Carpet pricing you have to get the code from the code, and if you are agreeing, if you have had a agreement with the carpet had code from the airline, so then that with that code you will be able to get the special fares by entering this command fxp slash r comma u, the 1 2 3 4 5. This is the code, carpet code. So sometimes airlines, the carpets will get special fares from the airlines between the agreement of them. So the issuing agents, the handling agents has to get that. If you there had that like that agreement, you have to get the code from their carpet. You have to assign the code between your agency, then the particular airline, then you have to price with this command. So this is the things friends, pricing commands. So if you want to check the lowest cost, one more option is available, fxp slash fxp is the mandatory command for all the get the information. So the pricing command, issuing the, if you want to get the cost or if you want to issue the ticket, you have to use the fxp only is the command, mandatory command. So whole itinerary. And other way, fxb also will give you the lowest cost, fxb. So here it is not showing. Father X-ray Bravo, it will show you staff fares, lowest fare is available in the, if you once you created the PNI, just check fxb or fxl or fxa, it will give you the lowest cost or lowest prices available in particular segments. Lowest classes, lowest fares also will show in the system. So all the help pages, it will give you the friends all the list of commands and entries by entering this command HE space FAR. Once you enter this command in the Amadeus system, so list of commands it will show you in the system. So this is the updated information friends. So this video will guide you the information, and it will give you the more knowledge, and while making the PNRs or while replacing the PNRs. So friends, if you have any doubt, check with your seniors, and also you can check with your Amadeus by calling them. So thank you for watching video. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.